guys, and welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas to everyone. And after several days of waiting, my niece and I are going to open our presents. So Kylie, are you ready? Yeah. Okay. So I'm with a pair of scissors just because the wrappings are not paper, so it will be easier to open. So let's get started.
Yeah, put a couple in front of you. Just put it in front of you. I'm not opening it yet. Just set them so it will be easier for you to open them. So, what do you think we find in these?
I feel like I don't really know. I'm just saying general. I feel like I might find clothes.
I'll find toys.
Toys, okay. Oh, she said Asho or Legos. What is Asho, Kai Kai? Kai Kai, what is Asho? Clothes or Legos? Oh, let's find out.
I think there's going to be like plates. I don't really know about mine, but I know Kylie have plates. And I know there's clothes.
Okay. Alright, let's get started.
Let's open this one first because I've been wondering what was this. I feel like it's a mug or something like that.
Open and tear. It's easier to just open it. So, just put any wrapping paper behind you. What is it?
It's a mug. I got it.
You got it right. Hey, yeah, hold your mug to the camera. Yes. Open it. Kai, what do you have? Is it cute? Yeah, hold it to the camera.
Look at this spoon.
Look at my
Yeah, let me see Kai.
Put it aside. You see how many more to open?
Let me see yours less. Cute, right? Next, yeah.
So next,
What is it?
That you need to be fast.
A lunchbox.
A lunchbox. Do you like it? Okay. What's there, Les?
it's a
I can open your lunchbox.
Hey, it's a cute bag, right?
Yeah.
Yay.
Cute bag.
I know it's actually like a clothes.
A piece of clothing. Yeah. What is that?
A plate.
A
lunch
plate.
plate.
A lunchbox. A lunch plate, actually.
Lunch plate.
Kai, what's there? A pair of slippers. What color are they?
Color black, color brown.
What color is a pair of slippers? There's black on it. What other color do you see?
What color red?
Yes.
Yes.
Another color.
What's the other
Color
color?
brown.
And what
And
else?
this one.
Color pink.
Good girl.
This color pink she saw last.
Bring it. Kai, show this one. I had a lot of fun opening wrapping this for you because it's a very beautiful wrapping paper. And I'm almost sad for you to open this wrapping paper because I wrapped it up very, very well. Yeah. Let's watch it. What do you have there?
Water bottle.
That's my own.
She was even asking me yesterday.
What is that?
I didn't buy her this cup.
It's an insulated cup. And guess whose name is there?
And my own is
This is
water.
like
I just pretended as if I didn't buy. I said I
Yeah,
will buy it.
yeah.
Next week, don't worry. You didn't know that she's having it already. That's so.
Do you like it?
yeah.
That was a surprise to you, Abby.
We got ours
So
early.
you're happy you have your own now.
Yeah.
I have my
Hey, what's that?
Ice cream.
Ice cream bottle. It looks like a
You
lollipop.
like it?
Eh? Do you like it? No lollipop. It looks like a popsicle.
Yes.
Yeah. Very nice, right? Very nice. Next one. What is that? Oh, show it to the camera. Show it first. It's
a
a.
water bottle.
Speaking of camera,
Give
it's a what?
I open.
Comes with a purse.
Okay. And speaking of camera, it's a camera.
Looks like a purse. I
Is
think
it?
it's a purse, yes.
I thought it was like
Water
it looked like a camera.
Yeah, but the water bottle.
Right, so what about you? Whatever. Maybe purse or camera.
That's it.
What is that?
It's a purse.
Tie. Cute.
Christmas
Do you
purse.
like it? Yeah.
I
Christmas
see
purse.
another one for
Yeah, to match up with your clothes. Okay? So hold it up.
So is it a
And then
purse?
yes, and then it has like another small purse.
Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, Kai. See it. Open it. What is that?
A
A
plate.
bunch
Okay, I
of
knew this
plates.
was a plate.
Not just
Check
one.
what.
Look at what's on the plate. Look at what's that?
Yeah, it's
A Dora plate.
And what?
Barbie plate.
A Barbie plate.
Clap for yourself.
Clap for yourself.
Down.
How is
That
it?
mine is
bigger one.
bigger.
Yours is
Open it,
bigger.
open it
I
fast.
want
Hey, bring Kai zone. Bring Kai zone close so you can see them. See, look at them.
It comes in.
Twinning.
It
You
comes
love
with
it?
the, like
Its own
everything.
cutlery.
Yeah.
let me show you my
Cute.
Chopsticks.
And chopsticks.
Chopsticks.
You like it?
Yeah.
I want to do the other one.
Wait, Kai, wait for her.
Your own is having 4 plates.
Yeah.
I have 2 plates.
Yeah, yours are two. Put your presents and put them down in front of you. Yeah. Isn't this yours?
Yeah, this is mine.
Yeah, put it to yours. Oh yeah, Gish, help her pour it. Hey, oh yeah. Yeah. So how is this? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
Oink, oink.
Oink,
Oink, oink.
Oink,
What's
oink.
an oink, oink?
Pig.
A pig.
But this is a bear.
It's a
Big
bear.
sound.
And my one is the oink.
There's no oink,
Oink,
oink.
Yes,
Okay, it's true. Yours is an oink, oink.
Abi?
Okay. Is it an oink, oink?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. She has been wondering what that is since.
I like chopsticks there.
It's not cutlery.
Chopsticks.
Yeah, check.
It's cutlery.
It's chopsticks, man.
Yeah,
You
check
need to eat
it,
your-
check it.
Your rice.
Kai, yeah, tear it
Are
open.
those chopsticks? Open now. You know what they are.
It's a pencil case.
2 days ago, she said that I should go and buy
Kai, look at this.
She go at Miniso. Mama, at Miniso, she said I should buy her
A pencil case.
a pair of what's it called? Mathematical set. I said don't worry, I'll buy it later because I don't want to tell her that I've already bought them.
No, this is a pencil case. So.
But things inside mathematical set are inside pencil case now. Oh yeah, Leslie, don't mix them together. I bought 2
I know.
and you are keeping 1. You take 1 to school, you keep 1.
Separate them.
Kai, do you like it?
You can't do that now.
Turn it
Wasting
around,
time
let
for
me
the
see.
video.
Turn it around. Hey, we have set them down there with your other gifts. Put them down
Right, you are going to
there.
use it to learn how to spell. Okay? You know
You know how to spell. What can you
know
spell?
how to
You
spell.
can only spell your name. Yeah, open the next one, Kai.
You know how to spell.
Yeah, open.
Give be fast though. Let's be fast.
Gift, help me adjust her plate. Exactly, good. What's there, Leslie?
Water bottle here.
I will stuff that I wrap for a whole day, washing she quickly.
It's like a cactus.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Look at Kai.
Okay, show me what's there. Show it to me. It's a writing tab or a writing pad, one of the two. It's cute, right? You can write on it.
Do you like it?
You can write on it.
Good
Girl.
What are those?
Hey,
Your
see,
new watch.
accessories.
Accessories. Yeah,
Leslie, what is there for you?
like that.
Clothes.
Clothes. You think that if clothes were not there, it wouldn't be complete. Mom would definitely get you clothes.
Another one.
Oh yeah.
White, black.
And this.
Shorts.
Yeah.
Abi?
Pair of shorts.
Yes.
Pair of
they're
shorts.
You like them?
A cloth, Joe. I don't have it.
Some types of some clothing.
You.
Nice,
Do you
right?
like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you
And
happy
my
now?
one is this.
Yeah. Nice, right?
Yeah.
I
You have some new clothes to kick off this new year.
Put them in the front there.
You put them aside, put them in the front, right here.
There. Let's give me the wrappers.
Another set of gifts. We're coming. Sit.
Okay.
Yeah, next set. What's that?
It's a bag.
It's a bag to take to your tennis class and for swimming.
For swimming and
You like it?
Yeah.
One got goodness is there.
Oh, you can even.
Oh yeah, add it to the ones in the front. Hurry up. Go.
yeah, open.
Yay!
What is that?
I can't even know.
This was my favorite.
Open it.
Out of all Kai stuff, I like this one. I like the color.
What is it?
I just love the color. See, that was my favorite. And it's very beautiful. Like, you see, it's lilac, like your glasses. The same color. That's why I liked it a lot. I wish I had
What will you
it.
say, Kai?
Kai say thank you, mommy. Thank you, grandma. Les.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mommy.
The top.
Yeah, go.
What do you think?
What's there, Kai?
Even I don't know.
That's it. But I feel like it's
Kai, see your cutlery on its own. See.
There's
Your
for
perfect
school.
cutlery.
Like Jessica.
Like Jessica.
What's that? Oh, chocolate! Wow! Bring everything to the front.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see.
Set them.
Oh, yeah.
Set them.
My own.
Set them.
My own.
Let's see all your chocolates.
Look at all your chocolates.
Yay!
So many
much.
chocolates.
Oh, yeah, our Christmas
Chocolate
chocolate.
bars.
Enjoy.
Leslie.
I see Leslie's
Kai, you don't
chocolate.
have chocolate.
Kai does not have chocolate. Only Leslie.
Kai, are you still happy as you are not having chocolate?
Don't worry, you have lots of gifts.
You have
too,
lots of
okay?
them with you.
But you still have
Yeah.
many more gifts.
Okay,
to open.
see, you have gifts.
Are you happy with that chocolate?
Yeah.
You still love me with that
Not really.
chocolate?
You love
Are you
grandma.
sure?
Are you sure?
Yeah, come and hug me.
Yeah, I'll be grandma.
Yeah, give grandma a hug.
Yeah, you always love me.
Hi, guys.
Hey, good.
Eh?
Yeah, let's
Wait,
push
do you love me
chocolate.
more than chocolate?
Yeah.
Good. Hug me.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on,
Push
Sham.
everything.
Now open this.
Oh, yeah, push the next one. What is
I
that?
really have this type. Like pink.
A lunch box.
That's me. I think
bag.
you should video on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, open it.
Open it.
Kai loves me more than chocolate.
I love grandma.
All those chocolates are for Leslie.
Don't see
oh.
chocolate there.
Kai, what is there for you? Hey,
I treat you.
I see your
How
stuff.
can I give Leslie something and I will not give it to Kai? How is that possible? Is that possible to
Hey,
Kai?
see chocolates for you. Let's
possible.
separate
I
them.
love you.
Separate them from yours.
My chocolate.
You love them? Yay.
You're having chocolates now.
So many.
Good.
Like
Like
Leslie's.
Leslie.
Oh yeah.
So now we open this. I feel like it's a book. Yeah, open it.
What is there, Kaita? Hurry up.
What's that?
Because
It's a cute puppet pie.
Do you like it?
See,
Are you
puppies.
happy?
Yeah, pop. Puppies.
oh, like I have like tiny.
Yeah.
Yes.
See, your
I
own.
thought it was
Your own
bigger
looks
than
fat.
that.
Yeah, yours is bigger.
That's for you.
That's
for you.
yours.
Oh, you are hugging your purse.
Yeah, put your gifts here. All your stuff.
Nice.
Leslie, see your own stuff
After video, you
here.
take pictures
Like my
with
own.
your gifts.
Yes, I
Differently.
Yeah.
Let me check my own.
Not now. Sit. You still have many more. Sit.
actually thought I was
Open it now. I think there's a pen inside.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll open yours.
It has a pen.
There it is.
Open.
There's a
There's a
pen.
power button. You turn on. You press on. You write your name on it. Turn it on.
Right. Can you see?
Oh, there was a boy
Let
in
me
my
see.
school that had this.
Yeah. Turn it. Let me see. Let's. If you're done.
Kai should turn it to.
Kai can write her name. Kai, write
Write
your
your
name. Write Kai. Yeah. Let me see. Lesley-May. XOXO. Kai.
Is that your name?
Hey, is that your name?
Spell your
Oh, I
name.
know a better
Kai, spell your name.
I.
No.
Yeah, very
Yes,
good. Guess what's there?
Mama.
Oh,
box.
What kind of lunchbox is
Electric.
it?
Electric.
What does it do?
Somebody told me
I think
in the market that it was for adults, and I told the person that I wanted it for my daughter. What an adult can use, a child can use it too.
thank
Yeah,
you.
open
Mom.
it.
You're welcome.
This lunchbox, Leslie, can buy
So
10
working
other.
class, yes,
can buy
working
10
class
other
people.
lunchboxes.
Wow.
See, open it. See, you
comes
see
with
the
a
plug
We're going to
and
plug
the charger
it.
and
Warm
everything
food.
to warm your meal.
To make it stay hot.
Just make it stay
Stay
hot.
hot till
Okay, you have yours there. Another one is there. Don't worry.
Are you sure?
Oh,
I
and then
don't
it comes
remember
with
everything.
cutlery.
Yeah.
Another cutlery.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
We are
You
drop
love
them,
it?
drop them, drop them.
Yeah, put them in front. How do you love it?
Very much.
Very much.
Hey. Set them out.
Put
out.
them.
Put them in front. Yeah.
In your front.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
It
Bring
feels
everything
like
out.
that
Carry
is
on.
cold.
Bring them
Controller.
out.
But like coffee.
Bring them out. Bring them
Like
out.
squishy. Wait.
Bring your stuff
Like, look
out.
at your own and bring them out.
Yeah. More stuff. More stuff. Let's go.
So I'm guessing this is like a puppet bag since Kai has this, but mine is controller. I
Which
guessed
controller?
right.
It's not a
Oh, it's not
controller.
a controller. I think.
So that's your very own.
Wow.
See, matching puppet bags. Nice.
When is it my own?
You like it?
Yeah. And the earrings, eh?
Yeah, yours.
Yeah.
Wow.
You got earrings.
Does it come with it or you guys?
No, we bought earrings.
Oh.
One bought earrings.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Next item.
Another pair of slippers.
Yeah.
Hey, Barbie.
Slippers.
Yeah. Show me. Let's see. Show the camera. Let's see. Barbie.
Yeah, that's true.
Like that one.
Yeah.
Add it to your collection here.
Add it to your stuff here.
Let's go.
See the next one.
Something that shoes.
What kind of shoes?
That's your Christmas shoe.
Thank you.
This is the one I
Wow.
got for you for Christmas.
I don't think I even have any high heels. Like,
Ah, well.
Hold it
my
like that.
first.
Hold it
No,
up.
don't put it with mine.
Wow, they are pink.
Very pink and very cute.
But how I'm going to wear it is what I wonder.
You figure it out. For you, what is that Kai Kai?
The water bottle.
See.
And phone now.
It's not a phone. Phone. What do you want to do with the phone? It's a water
Another fair
bottle.
water bottle.
Yeah. See. Hey, perfect.
This one that they have.
I bought
Hey,
it for
you bought
yeah.
this for me.
Look.
This is a cute
You are
pen.
going to match them up. Eh? School.
Very cute. Yeah. Match.
bears.
2 bears. Mom loves bears for you apparently. Yeah. What is that?
Don't have
It's a
don't
bag.
have, guys.
What is there,
Oh,
Leslie?
plates, plastic plates.
Just like hi guys.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Say grandma thank you.
No,
Grandma.
there was a mistake. Oh. I did not buy any plate for Leslie.
Then it's for Kai Kai. Kai Kai,
Kai.
it's
That was
yours.
a mistake. You made a mistake, Mama.
Are you sure?
This
My
thing
name?
was for
No,
Leslie.
it's for Leslie.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Also a shoe.
Another pair of shoes,
shoes.
pink shoes again.
That's your
Another
Christmas shoe
plate.
anyway.
Wait.
Yeah.
Mama, you
twin-
made a mistake, oh.
One is for
The
Kai
pink one is
Kai.
for Kai Kai.
Okay, Kai Kai,
made a
it's
mistake.
yours.
This is yours, Kai Kai.
At some point, we got tired of wrapping.
Oh, this is yours.
I spent
Yeah.
like 18 hours wrapping these things. So at some point, I got tired.
Slippers.
Are you
Yeah.
happy now?
These. Let's open these.
Look at your nice shoes.
Yeah. And the better one is like this.
Another
Are you sure you saw it?
I just know before I get excited.
It's yours.
No, do you know what happened with this bag?
It's
Eh?
yours.
I wanted this color pink and I didn't see it. And I found that color pink, the light pink. After buying this, and I got this one. So I decided to keep the two for Kai Kai. Mama, you made very big
So is
mistake.
it-
No, I said you should give it to
I gave
Leslie.
she said give it to
Yeah.
Actually, look at this.
Another bag for
See, a bag, a red bag for you.
The water bottle.
It's simple.
That's for Kai Kai.
I knew it would be for Kai Kai because it's like really small.
Look at this. It's for Kai
See,
Kai.
this is, you can tell by the way it's wrapped, it is a plate.
Who owns that?
It's written my name, but
Gift, wait.
at this point
Wait,
I
let her
don't
open
even know
it.
which
This is
one.
yours. It's yours.
That's yours.
It's yours.
Sister, look at this.
That's your Christmas dress.
Yeah, your Christmas dress.
You're supposed to wear. Look at it.
It's for
Look
my
at this
birthday.
one.
No, it's for
No,
Christmas.
For Christmas. This is
Look
the
at it.
back. Can you see?
Yay!
Eh?
You like it?
You like it?
Really cute.
Stand up. Let me see.
Eh?
Oh my God.
It fits me.
It fits
Oh,
you.
yes, it fits you now.
You love
Shorts! Oh my god, I love shorts so much.
Look.
More shorts.
Yeah.
How can I say clothes?
for maybe for like skating.
Or exercises.
Yeah. And leggings.
Yeah.
Chicken and
Yeah, this is Mama. Oh yeah.
What's that?
Let her open.
I can see another stuff for you.
I'm not sure it's for Kai Kai.
the clothes.
This is for Lesley.
Yes, for me.
Your Christmas dress. Hold it up. Hold it up.
Okay, the last set. Let's hurry up. Don't see anything. No.
Kai Kai
Careful.
don't go. No names on them, have you?
No.
That is mine.
Wait,
No, it's for Lesley.
For Lesley. It will set confusion.
This is for Leslie. From the size, I knew it was Leslie's own. Okay, let's.
Hold it up.
That's me.
How did she cheat you?
This is your own.
This is
You
your
have
own.
yours now. It's not cheating.
This for Lesley.
It's for you and Les. For you and Les. See.
Wow, look at the bag.
Yeah,
Let me
very
see the back.
cute. See. You have, Leslie has. Okay, there's no cheating there. You know, she actually thought she took her dress.
Yeah, I'm
Very beautiful.
You took my dress.
No, I
No.
know.
Let's on the floor. No, please don't put it on the floor.
This is yours, Kai.
Oh yeah, hurry up and let's open the rest. And Kai Kai, this is finally yours. So you have the same dresses,
You have two.
both pink
One for Christmas
and both
one
white.
for New Year.
Yeah.
Now, Kai
Kai
Kai.
Kai, can you see?
See,
Mama.
Christmas and New Year.
Where your camera woman?
Okay.
Cutlery.
A pair of cutlery.
Can you see?
I've seen
See
it.
them?
Yeah.
They are beautiful.
Yeah, let's. Is that the last one?
No, one more.
Okay, hurry up.
Kai Kai,
That's for Leslie.
take.
See your pair of cutleries.
Yeah, open them.
Yeah, everyone knows you like them. Hurry up.
Yeah.
High waist, high waist, high waist. High waist again.
Oh yeah.
High waist.
Wow.
See, look how cute they are.
I love the clothes.
Hi guys, do you love your orange cutleries? Yeah.
It's like clever.
Like Leslie's. Okay. Anyone that is big and yours is definitely yours. Last but not least.
That's my own.
More clothes.
So you have enough clothes for next year.
Yeah.
Yours,
Like
that's yours now. The cutleries.
You don't need to
Thank you.
remove them because they are leggings.
They're all leggings. You don't have to worry. That's the last one, Kai Kai. Those are. Let's see everything. Kai Kai, see. Show us your red purse, your red bag.
Anna, why are you angry? What
Because
happened?
Leslie opened one last one. No,
But
Kai Kai,
the last
this
one
is
was
yours.
for you now.
It was for
You
less.
can only take things that are yours. They are not yours. Look at you have so many
What?
things.
See your
Why are you
stuff.
spoiling mouth
What
like
with that
that?
face? See. See everything.
Look at this. Only
Everything
you.
got you.
You have so
Just
many.
you.
Can you
This
see them?
basket. You have so
Eh?
many.
Look at all this for you to learn. Learn how to spell.
So they're all yours.
Love
Say
it.
thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom. Mom, I
And
share.
thanks, Sister Ashley, for wrapping the gift.
Yeah, my whole day.
You have so many.
So lots of clothes for you. Yeah.
Wow.
Kai Kai, you have one
Tear it,
last
tear it,
one.
tear it.
Tear it. Let's help her. Okay, we almost missed it.
Yes, oh yeah.
Hurry up. Yeah. Give it to her. Open it. And what is there, Kai Kai? Open. Hurry up. What is that? Help her.
What about the Bamide? Let's buy the box here.
What
I'm
is
not cutting by mistake.
What is that, Titan?
Cutlery.
Why are you grabbing the gifts?
Let me help you cut.
It's another pair, the final pair of cutleries. Yay. Say thank you, Leslie. Say thank you, Leslie. See, this is a pair of Barbie cutleries.
So guys, I forgot to do an outro, so this is the voiceover. So basically that was all for the video, and I really liked all the gifts. They were so nice. Thank you very much, Mom, and thanks for everything. And Stashi, thank you for wrapping the gifts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. See you guys. Bye.
Mistake. Hold on.